Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make superfood salad. Superfood salad is a high in nutritious with the main ingredient is a super grain is a quinoa. So to make this salad they have many variation. So you can put any fruits or vegetables you like. So basically is a simple recipe and you always can use any ingredient. To have this make this salad, all you need 2 cup cooked quinoa. Please check the description below how to make quinoa in detail. So let's see how to make perfectly cooked quinoa. So you needed 1 cup multigrain quinoa and 2 cup water. So the ratio is a 1:2. So in the bowl I'm adding the quinoa. So we're going to rinse multiple times to get all the dirt from the quinoa grain. So keep adding the clean water and keep rinsing all the grains in the squeezing and then run to the water. So until you get the clear water. So today I'm just rinsed 3 times this quinoa. So it's really good. And today I'm using the Insania Instant Pot. It's already have that quinoa setting. When I pressed it, it's showing 20 minutes. So it's simple. So now it's ready. I added the water, 2 cup water. It's a tap water. Just add the water, about 2 cups. And then I'm adding the rinse and drain quinoa that we rinsed it earlier. So this is the quinoa. I'm just adding it. Now we can add a salt, about 1/4 teaspoon salt, and we can start the cooker by lid on and turn to the other side and lock the pressure. That's the pressure, go to the up, and now it's ready after 20 minutes. So friend, it's easy and quick by using the Insania Instant Pot. I really recommend. You can see the outcome. It's come out so perfect and so fluffy. So let's see what you need for the salad. So today I have a pineapple, cucumber, carrot. So I'm using a multicolored carrot. So it's like purple, orange, and then red. And I just grated. And so again, it's a pineapple, cucumber, grated carrots. It's a multicolor, pomegranates. So you can use another fruit like apples, grapes, and then slices of the red onion. So please check the description below for the cup measurement. So you can have that nice flavorful of salad. So let's see how to make simple lemon vinaigrette. Is a 1 garlic. I just grated. So garlic give like a nice pungent flavor, and it's really give like the spices. I'm adding the olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, and then once you start mix all together, I'm just adding the lemon juice. It's a half of lemon of juice, and we're going to add the salt. It's a sea salt. Just give a nice amount. And then we can add a chili flake. Chili flake give nice heat on it. Now I like little heat on my salad. It's optional. You always can avoid it. And now we'll just add the black pepper. So just give a nice mix. So to make salad, dressing is important. Always prefer all the salt and all the lemon and olive oil should be mixed firstly. Then you add the vegetable. Will nicely give a nice coated and flavor. So it's a really good tips. So always make the vinaigrette first, then add the vegetable and then quinoa. So now I'm adding the quinoa. It's a cooked quinoa. So we just made it before, and just give a nice mix, and now it's ready, friend. It's super delicious, super healthy. And as always, I name it a superfood salad. So it tastes so good, sweet from the pineapple, crunch from the pomegranate, and The vegetable is so delicious and so yummy. And you can store this salad in the refrigerator for 3 days. It's good for 3 days. You can make it advanced, and then you can set as a meal, and it's a good salad. It's really good after 3-4 days, and because it's all absorbing all that lemon vinaigrette, so it's really delicious if you keep in 3-4 days. So I hope you enjoyed this salad. So let's see how to plate this salad. So just plate this salad. So colorful. That pomegranate, the yellow from pineapple is such a beautiful salad. It's so delicious and high in nutritious. So friend, you always can use this salad as a side for the main course, for the barbecue or the another dishes. So I hope you enjoy the superfood salads. It's totally vegan, and have a fantastic day. Please like, share and subscribe.